Hi guys, in today's video, I'll be making some okra stew or soup, and this is a very simple recipe. Trust me, I'm sure you're going to love it after you watch this video, so come with me. So to begin the video, I'll not waste much of your time. I have here some onions, ginger, garlic, and some pepper. I'm going to blend all of these and I'm going to use that to season my meat. So in my saucepan, I have some kewtabena, which is cow leg, and some goat meat. So what I'm going to be doing is to pour my blended ingredients I showed earlier onto my protein and then add some spices. So I'm going in with some beef seasoning, adding my all-purpose seasoning that I make at home and then some salt. And then I'll go in with enough water. So I pre-cooked the cow leg because it's very tough, okay? So I'll give it a good mix and then cover and then allow it to steam or cook until tender. And I have here my okra. So some prefer to chop it up, but I am team soft life. Okay, so I'm going to use my food processor. I am adding in a bit of baking soda and then I'll process this till I'm satisfied with it. Okay, so this is the outcome. I love this way. So this is about 15 minutes into steaming the meat. It looks good. What I'm going to be doing is to add some fresh fish. Okay, so I'm using mackerel for this recipe. I just salted it a bit, okay? Then I'm going to drop it into the pot or pan or saucepan, whatever, to allow it to absorb the spices from the base as well, okay? So I added my fish at this point because it's more fragile and I didn't want it to break up in the stew or soup, the okra stew or soup, okay? You can tell I'm adding in a bit of water. That's because I'm not going to cook the okra I blended or I processed, okay? Yes, don't panic. Like I said in the beginning, it's a very simple recipe. And trust me, at this point, the fire was still on, but I had reduced it totally because I didn't want the vapor from the pot to cloud my camera. Okay, so this is my fresh okra or uncooked okra that I'm putting into the pot at the moment. So the base of the okra soup, I'm going to call it is oilless, okay, will help to cook the okra. So at this point, reduce your fire to a very low one, okay? Slow cook this. First of all, it will help your fish to be intact and it will also make sure that your okra cooks beautifully. And trust me, after 10 minutes on low heat, you will get the slime you want in your okra. If you don't want it, that's fine, but I love the slime a bit, okay? So I reduce the fat drastically or to the lowest, okay? And now look at my soup. It is ready. It is looking delicious. The way it went well with some soft banku, you should definitely try this very simple recipe. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and join this amazing blooming family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below on your way out, and also share this video and let's reach a wider audience. Thank you for sticking with me today, and until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.